Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry zucchini. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh zucchini, other crisp vegetables like bell peppers or carrots, and your chosen protein. Next, prepare your stir-fry sauce by combining soy sauce, fresh ginger, minced garlic, and a touch of honey or sugar. Finally, slice your zucchini into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1/4 of an inch thick, ensuring even cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat a wok or a large skillet over high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil. Once shimmering, add your protein, such as chicken or tofu, and cook until it's nearly done. Remove it from the pan. Next, stir-fry your harder vegetables, like carrots or broccoli, for 2 to 3 minutes until they are crisp tender. It's time for the star of the show. Add your sliced zucchini to the hot pan and stir-fry for just 1 to 2 minutes. You want it to be tender crisp, not mushy. Return your cooked protein to the pan. Now, pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce, ensuring it coats all the ingredients evenly. Toss everything together for about 1 minute until the sauce thickens slightly and everything is heated through. To finish your delicious stir-fry, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some fresh chopped cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Serve your zucchini stir-fry immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. This quick and healthy dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.